perfect essay? Can you make your own academic papers? Oo nga, perfect. Pero who's doing really the work?
Teka. Sino ka ba, te? Papansin na to.
The rapid surge of artificial intelligence, or AI, has fundamentally transformed education, especially here in the Philippines.
The COVID-19 pandemic and the shift to distance learning forced many of us to depend on digital tools. We had to rely on AI apps, chatbots, writing assistants, translators, just to keep up.
According to UNICEF on 2021, long school closures during the pandemic caused big learning losses in the country. Around 84% of parents said their children learned less compared to when they were in face-to-face classes. Additionally, the 2022 Program for International Student Assessment, also known as PISA, ranked the Philippines among the lowest in reading, math, and science, with little improvement from 2018, according to Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD, report in 2023.
Kahit may advanced technology tayo sa paligid natin, karamihan pa rin sa atin ay hirap sa basic skills.
Ang tunay na pagkatuto ay
Nagsisimula sa atin, it starts with us, our
initiative and our
Kaya naman, minions, gamitin natin ang digital tools ethically.
Kahit anong task pa yan, hindi na mawala ang hint of AI.
Math, science, or essay writing, and everything nice. Hindi mawawala, nagagamit ka talaga ng AI. Oo, gagamit ka. Pero hindi mo aabusuhin.
Sobrang helpful kaya ng AI, pero hindi ibig sabihin ito na dito ka na lang magre-rely. You can use AI to study smartly and make your outputs more cohesive and factual.
Oh, still watching. Ikaw bilang kabataan in this digital world, don't just play by starter. Please go for a cause and for a change.
Lalo na, we're facing educational crisis and the misuse of AI is one of its main reasons. Shortly, the voice matters.
Sa pamamagitan ng pag-support sa aming polisiya at pag-encourage ng ating Romanians to use AI ethically and critically, makakatulong ka.
Oo, ikaw. Makakatulong ka.
Ikaw pa ba? Makakatulong ka.
So, time is ticking. At alam naman natin na napakabilis ng oras. Kung kaya naman, don't wait until it's too late. Minions, we, the ethicists, are encouraging you to support and to promote the utilization of artificial intelligence and the digital tools nang nag-a-adhere sa proper guidelines, which is ang ethics. Ethics! Wait, guys! 1, 2, 3. What are you waiting for? Be part of the change. Join us as we encourage to use AI ethically.
Ay, Bante! Ay, Bante!